episode of 88 and 88 is the final segment in our 4-part College and Career Pathway series, which shares details about these pathways and how students can connect to opportunities that provide hands-on, immersive experiences, as well as certifications, credentials, and scholarships. We highly encourage students and families to view all 4 videos to learn about the tremendous options that are available. This episode highlights the last 2 pathways, which are information technology and manufacturing, engineering, and trades. Information technology comprises cybersecurity and network systems, as well as programming and software development. Careers in this field include computer programmer, information systems manager, database administrator, web and application developer, game designer, cybersecurity analyst, and more. Students who are interested in pursuing this area should consider enrolling in the academic courses and extracurricular activities shown on the screen. Manufacturing, engineering, and trades comprises architecture and construction, science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM, and transportation, distribution, and logistics. Careers in this field include architect, architectural and civil drafter, construction equipment operator, construction and building inspector, carpenter, electrician, plumber and pipe fitter, HVAC technician, interior designer, engineer in a variety of areas such as biomedical, mechanical, chemical, and aerospace, and more. Students who are interested in pursuing this area should consider enrolling in the academic courses and extracurricular activities shown on the screen. As we begin this course selection process for the 26-27 school year, we encourage students to review the course listing guide and pathways with their families, which can be viewed by scanning the QR codes or going to the links on the screen. District 88 offers a comprehensive curriculum. It offers more than 30 advanced placement courses and more than 50 dual credit and collegiate credit courses in 18 career pathway areas, along with award-winning fine arts programming to help ensure students are prepared to successfully accomplish their post-high school goals. Course selection will take place in January and February, and the dates for each class are listed on the screen. We would also like to share 4 important reminders regarding this process. First, beginning in August 2026, all District 88 graduates must have a post-secondary commitment and complete at least 1 career-related experience. Details are listed on the screen. Second, we have flexibilities within our district graduation requirements to help allow students to access preparatory coursework related to their post-high school plans without barriers. For details about graduation flexibility, scan the QR code or go to the link on the screen. Third, we annually evaluate the courses we offer to ensure they align with student interest, occupational outlook, and staff credentials. In the 26-27 school year, we are excited to add the courses shown on the screen to our curriculum. Lastly, we invite all incoming and current students and parents to attend Addison Trails Course Information Night and Athletic Activity Fair and Willowbrook's Curriculum Showcase and Meet the Coaches Clubs Night on January 15th. These events provide valuable information about academics, clubs, activities, and sports at the schools. You'll be able to meet with the school counselors, representatives from each academic area, athletic coaches, and activity sponsors, Board of Education members, and administrators. You will also have the opportunity to learn about academic and social-emotional supports available to students, as well as parent organizations to join. We welcome all District 88 families to come to the schools on this evening, and you should have received more information via email. This concludes our 4-part College and Career Pathway series. For questions or more information about enrollment in college and career pathways, contact your child's counselor. Thank you for your continued support of District 88 as we work together to achieve our mission of preparing students to be college and career ready in a diverse society.